Today we are going to install the Checkpoint 1530 into the RM-CP-T5 from Rackmount.IT. The installation for the 1550 is the same as the 1530. You will need the Checkpoint appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 3 tie wraps, 2 bolts, and installation instructions. Place the power supply on the rack and tie it down with 2 of the tie wraps. Remove the 4 rubber feet and 2 bolts from the front side of the appliance. Place your checkpoint backwards on the rack, with the connections facing towards the front. Fix the checkpoint with the bolts on the bottom of the rack and tighten them lightly. Once the bolts are tight, the appliance is secure. Lead the low-voltage power cable through the large square hole towards the front of the rack and connect it to the power inlet. Tie the excess length of the power cable down with the 3rd tie wrap. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secure. Now we are ready to install the rack into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.